Housing and Development Board (HDB) in Singapore provides various avenues for eligible individuals and families to acquire new public housing. Among these methods is the open booking of flats (OBF) system, a unique approach that operates on a first-come, first-served basis, offering remaining units from previous sales of balance flats (SBF) exercises. This report outlines the detailed, step-by-step procedure involved in purchasing a new HDB flat through the open booking system, from the initial eligibility checks to the eventual key collection. Step 1. Eligibility assessment and financial planning. Prior to initiating the flat selection process, prospective buyers must ascertain their eligibility to purchase a new HDB flat. The general criteria include being a Singapore citizen, SC, of at least 21 years of age. When applying with family, at least one other applicant must hold SC or Singapore Permanent Resident, SPR status. Applicants must also form a valid family nucleus under one of HDB's stipulated eligibility schemes, such as the public scheme, Fiancé/Fiancée Scheme, or Orphans Scheme. Furthermore, households must meet the prescribed monthly income ceilings, which vary depending on the flat type and the specific family nucleus. Crucially, applicants and their essential occupiers must not own or have an interest in any other residential property, either locally or overseas, within the 30 months preceding the application, and must not have previously benefited from 3 or more housing subsidies from HDB. A mandatory prerequisite for applying under the open booking system is obtaining a valid HDB flat eligibility HFE letter. This comprehensive assessment, conducted via the HDB flat portal, evaluates the applicant's eligibility to purchase a new or resale flat, as well as their potential eligibility for CPF housing grants and an HDB housing loan. Given that the processing of the HFE letter can take approximately 1 month from the submission of all required documentation, it is strongly advised that applicants initiate this process well in advance. Simultaneously, prospective buyers should carefully plan their finances. This involves determining the source of funding for the flat purchase, considering whether to opt for an HDB loan or a bank loan. For those intending to take an HDB loan, the HFE letter will specify the eligible loan amount. Individuals considering a bank loan may find it beneficial to secure an in-principle approval, IPA, from their chosen financial institution to understand their borrowing capacity. Additionally, applicants should investigate their eligibility for various CPF housing grants, such as the Enhanced Housing Grant, EHG, or the Step-Up Grant, the details of which will be provided in the HFE letter. Step 2. Review of available flat listings. Once eligibility is confirmed and financial planning is underway, prospective buyers should visit the HDB flat portal to examine the current listings of flats available under the open booking system. The portal provides essential details for each listed unit, including the flat type, specific location, block and unit number, floor level, the remaining lease period, and the starting price. It is imperative to carefully review these details to identify suitable options that align with the buyer's needs and preferences. Furthermore, applicants must check the ethnic quota associated with each unit to ensure it is compatible with their household's ethnic composition. Step 3. Online application submission. Upon identifying a suitable flat and possessing a valid HFE letter, the next step involves submitting an online application through the HDB flat portal. The open booking system operates on a critical principle of first come, first served. Consequently, the prompt submission of an application for a desired, still available unit significantly enhances the chances of securing it. A non-refundable administrative fee of $10, inclusive of goods and services tax, is payable at the time of application, with payment options including credit cards, MasterCard/Visa, and QR code payments via supported mobile applications. Step 4. Flat booking appointment. Following the successful online application and payment of the administrative fee, applicants will receive a queue number. Subsequently, HDB will notify the applicant of their scheduled flat booking appointment, typically approximately 2 weeks prior to the designated date. The invitation package, containing the appointment letter, comprehensive details of the booked flat, and a list of required documents, can be accessed on the applicant's My HDB page. Personal attendance at the flat booking appointment is mandatory. In cases where the applicant is unable to attend, a formal authorization form must be completed to designate a representative to act on their behalf. During this appointment, the applicant will have the opportunity to review the specifics of the chosen flat. Should the applicant wish to proceed, an option fee will be payable to formally book the unit. The amount of the option fee varies based on the flat type. Step 5. Signing the agreement for lease. The invitation to sign the agreement for lease will follow the flat booking. The typical time frame for this step is contingent upon whether the flat is already completed or is still under construction. For completed flats offered under the open booking system, applicants can generally expect to sign the agreement for lease within a few months, approximately 3 months, after the booking. In some instances, this may even coincide with the key collection appointment. Conversely, for open booking flats that are still under construction, the timeline for signing the agreement for lease will be longer, potentially ranging from 6 to 9 months or more from the date of booking, depending on the progress of the construction work. HDB will provide an estimated timeline during the booking appointment for such cases. Prior to signing the agreement for lease, applicants who are taking a bank loan must ensure they have obtained the letter of offer, LO, from their chosen financial institution. At the signing, the down payment, if not fully covered by CPF and grants, stamp duties, and legal fees will be payable. Eligible applicants may also utilize the staggered down payment scheme, allowing for the down payment to be made in 2 installments. Step 6. Key collection. The final stage in the process is the key collection. An invitation to collect the keys to the new flat will be issued once it is ready for occupancy. For completed flats purchased under the open booking system, key collection typically occurs shortly after the booking or around the time of signing the agreement for lease. HDB will notify the applicant of their key collection appointment via email and SMS approximately 2 weeks in advance, and the details will also be available on my HDB page. Before attending the key collection appointment, all outstanding payments to HDB must be settled in full. Applicants are required to bring all the necessary documents as specified in their key collection appointment letter. During the appointment, the final paperwork will be completed, the keys to the new flat will be handed over, and applicants will be informed of any remaining procedures or pertinent information. Important considerations. Several important factors should be noted regarding the open booking system. Firstly, the availability of flats is limited as it comprises leftover units, resulting in a potentially restricted selection in terms of location, flat type, and specific units. Secondly, unlike the build-to-order, BTO, and sale of balance flats, SBF exercises, the open booking system does not involve balloting. Instead, it operates purely on a first-come, first-served basis, necessitating prompt action upon finding a suitable unit. Thirdly, the flats offered under open booking can be either completed or still under construction, with the HDB portal indicating the status of each unit. Finally, possession of a valid HFE letter is an absolute prerequisite for applying for a flat under the open booking system. Conclusion: purchasing an HDB flat through the open booking system offers a direct and potentially faster route to homeownership, particularly for completed units. By understanding and diligently following the outlined step-by-step procedure, prospective buyers can navigate the process effectively and increase their chances of securing a suitable public housing unit in Singapore. It is crucial to stay informed through the HDB flat portal and adhere to the timelines and requirements specified by HDB at each stage.